Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps plugin on Chatbot AI Nova. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you search for Chatbot AI Nova. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.